Welcome to Informatica support videos. This is Pavni from Informatica GCS. In this video, I'm going to explain how to export and import Cloud Integration Hub assets. We will directly see demo on how to export and import CAH assets. Currently, I have logged into GCS B2B org. This is the source org from which I want to export the CAH assets. To export CAH assets, click on Migration. Under Export tab, select Entities. We can select entity type under this drop down. We can filter based on application, publication, subscription, topic and monitoring rule. To select all entities, we can use this double arrow mark. It would select all entities. For the demo purpose, I am selecting one publication. Once all the entities are selected that you want to export, click on Export button. So this would download a .czip file. So this .czip would contain the exported entities. Now I have logged into another org, that is GCS PC B2B, which is the target org into which I want to migrate the assets. So click on Migration, select the Import tab, choose the file, the exported czip file. It would give us the list of assets that we are going to import. So while exporting, we have selected pub student, but here we also see other assets like topic student and app student. This is because these are the dependent assets for the pub student. So all the dependent assets would be exported when we select a particular entity. Here we can also select the conflict resolution rules while importing. For each asset type we can select. The rules are overwrite, reuse and cancel. If overwrite is chosen and if that particular entity is already present in the target org, then the entity from the source organization will override it. If the rule is reuse and if the entity is already present, then the entity will not get migrated. If it is cancel and if the asset is already present in the target, then the entire migration process will be cancelled. It is not for the one object, the whole process would be cancelled. That's why we cannot see this import button enabled. It is grayed out because we have selected the resolution rule as cancel and this topic student already exists in the target arc. That's why this import button is grayed out. If I reselect back it to overwrite, we can see it got enabled. Also we have an option to change the target project location. If you want, you can change the location here. To import, click on Import. Once the import process is done, it would list the migration results as like this: entity name and the corresponding process done. like it migrated successfully or not, and what is the resolution done, like whether it is overwritten or reused. In migration tab, we also have org to org asset migration. This is useful when you want to migrate the assets from one org to other org which are present in the same pod. So the export and import method which we discussed before, that is like a two-step process, but this org to org asset migration is a one-step process. So to do this, we'll have to log into the target org first. Then from CAH console, go to migration, then org to org asset migration. So under this, we have to log into the source organization. So here we have to give the details to log in to the source organization. Once it is logged in, it would give the organization name, source organization name, and the ID. So as we did before, we have to select the entities which we want to migrate. We can select the entities. So these are the entities present in the source org, which is GCS B2B. So I'm selecting one of the subscription. Same here also, we can specify the conflict resolution rules. Once the entities are selected, we can review the locations. So target project one is default, so this is going to default, so I'll change it to my project location. Okay, once these things are chosen, we can click on migrate. Yeah, this migrate process is completed, and as usual we will see the migration results. Yeah, that was the demo. This is the documentation link explaining the same process. We would love to hear from you. Please reach us on supportvideos@informatica.com or our Twitter handle infasupport. Thank you.